before we start, just to let you know, this is a joint presentation between the UK legal team and the compliance desk here at Challenger. Therefore, this presentation will be in English. My name is Cyril from the compliance desk. And here with us on Teams, we have the UK legal team. So we have Lisha, Ross, and Yvonne.
Hello.
Guys.
Hi.
Yeah. And so now let's move on to our first slide.
Cyril, sorry, just to interrupt. Can I ask a quick question? Can you tell me where the Code of Ethics and Anti-Corruption program is, please?
Oh, Ross, sorry, I'm in a meeting right now. Can I call you back later?
Oh, yeah, okay, sorry. Cheers.
Okay.
Sorry. One quick question.
Yes, Yvonne.
Of my entity, please?
Well, I need to check, so I will revert to you shortly. Sorry. Bye, Yvonne. Well, so this is the type of situation that the legal team faces almost every day. We have people reaching out to us, asking for simple questions by email or on the phone. And, well, this is distracting. This is distracting for us because these requests prevent us from focusing on higher value tasks, but also this is frustrating for our internal clients because they expect from us a quick feedback to their simple question, and this is not always possible. We did some internal survey, and it appears that 10% of the UK legal team is spent on simple questions. At the compliance desk, it is almost the equivalent of 1 month a year of one person spent to answer simple questions. So this is a lot of time, which means eventually a lot of money. Fortunately, there has been a growing trend to automate basic and recurrent tasks, and Nisha will present you our solution. Nisha?
Thanks, Cyril. Good afternoon, jury. My name is Lucia New and I'm from the UK Legal Desk. So our proposed solution is a chatbot that integrates with Microsoft Teams. And you can see from the GIF on the slide, this is a short demonstration of the sort of interface of what the chatbot will look like and how it will interact with its users. The benefits of this solution are that our responses are all harmonized, so there's a consistent response given to users every time. The answers are immediate, so there's no waiting times for our users, which helps with their frustration. And the bot is very easy to use, to program, and to keep updated and maintained. We did a quick survey of Link City staff in the UK. A majority of those surveys said that they would actually use it to answer these legal queries. Now, the best part of our solution is that it's free and it's instantly available because it forms part of our Office 365 package with Microsoft. Business has already started to roll out across all of the entities. So on our next slide, we've got the competitive positioning, which you can see the difference between the legal chatbot and some of our external providers. So we did look at external providers as an option, but there are large initial costs for setting these up and then recurring annual fees for their maintenance. Typical cost for a simple messenger bot starts anything between £10,000 to £15,000. And for a more advanced full service chatbot, this can be anything up to £50,000. So as you can see, the Microsoft Teams bot is the most cost-effective and quickest option for us. I'll now pass back to Cyril to talk to you about our next slide.
Thank you, Lisha. So how do we see the integration of a chatbot? So first, a chatbot is just an interface. It's a hub. And so it can benefit not only to legal, but also to all departments of our organization. So the idea is actually to create multiple question and answer modules, Q&A modules, that we will plug into our chatbot. So we will create one Q&A module for legal and one Q&A module for compliance. The good thing with a Q&A module is that it's to translate. So we could translate our Q&A into various languages, and the system will recognize the default language based on user preference settings. A chatbot also is a very good tool to collect feedback. The user can use it to report some facts or some new issues. He will enter text in the free text field of the chatbot. So that will help us to update the module with new questions. And so this contributes to the continuous improvement process of the project. I now turn to Lisha for our last slide.
Thanks, Cyril. So in terms of the next steps of rolling this out, we've identified two resourcing needs. The first being from the legal team, which is to identify the key set of questions and answers, which would cover things like what templates to use, compliance thresholds, signature requirements. And then the other resourcing need is from the IT department, who will input that data into the bot. So in terms of timing, we've scheduled around 1 month to build the data set, and a further month to code the bot, and then a 4-month period to test with users, at which point we will gather the feedback, look at ways that we can improve and update the bot, and then it can be rolled out to the wider business, to multiple jurisdictions. Cyril mentioned other departments such as HR, or also the chatbot with their own data sets. So there's no financial cost for creating and using the bot, it's purely a resourcing need. So we'll now take any questions that anyone might have for us.